In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-customers in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful accounting platform that helps businesses manage their finances with ease. If you work with clients who have multiple divisions or projects, setting up sub-customers can help you keep their records organized. By linking sub-customers to a parent customer, you can track transactions, invoices, and payments more efficiently. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and start your journey. Now, let's dive into the process step by step. First, open your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, click on Customers and Leads. This will take you to the area where you manage all your customer-related information. Next, select the Customers tab. This section is where all your existing customers are listed, and it's also where you can add new ones. Now, look for the New Customer button located at the top right corner of the screen and click it. This will open a form where you'll input all the necessary details for the new customer. Start by entering the customer's details. These include their display name, their company name if that applies, their email address, billing address, and standard terms. The display name is particularly important because this is how the customer will appear in your QuickBooks records. If the shipping address is different from the billing address, be sure to fill in the shipping address section as well. This will ensure that invoices and deliveries are sent to the correct locations. Now here's the key step for setting up a sub-customer. Look for the checkbox labeled is a sub-customer and check it. Once you do that, a new field will appear where you can select a parent customer. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the appropriate parent customer from the list. Before moving on, make sure you confirm that the correct parent customer has been selected. This step is crucial because it links the new sub-customer to the right account. Finally, once you've reviewed all the details and everything looks accurate, click the Save button, and that's it. You've successfully created a sub-customer in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.